Got a name changed or spelling error? Let's update your Robinhood account name right away. First, open the app and tap on the account icon here at the top right. Then go to Settings. Here you can see your personal details. Search for name change and tap on it. You may need to contact Robinhood support and provide legal documentation like a marriage certificate, court order, or updated ID. Once reviewed and approved, your name will be updated on your profile and official documents. This isn't a self-service edit. Support has to process it manually to protect your identity and investment. Have you had to change your name on any financial app before? Tell us what the process was like below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.